Welcome everyone. Since now we are about to begin with the course, we'll understand what we are going to study in it, for which we will have an overview on the contents in it. The course is divided into 8 modules, wherein in the first module, we will have a strong foundation in cybersecurity, for which we'll study Introduction to Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking, CIA triad and security models, types of cyber attacks and vulnerabilities, legal and ethical hacking frameworks, Kali Linux and command line basics. In the second module, we'll study about information gathering and reconnaissance, wherein we'll have an hands-on on footprinting and reconnaissance techniques, passive recon, active recon, DNS recon and who is lookup, Shodan and search engine recon, as well as social engineering techniques. In the third module, we'll understand about scanning and vulnerability analysis, for which we'll get our hands dirty on types of scans, banner grabbing and enumeration, vulnerability scanning, web application vulnerability identification, exploiting network or service vulnerabilities, common vulnerabilities, and in the fourth module, we'll study about exploitation, wherein we'll first understand what is the exploitation and exploit database, exploit network vulnerabilities, Metasploit framework basics, buffer overflow exploitation, escalation techniques, web server exploitation. In the fifth module, we'll study about post exploitation and maintaining access, wherein first we'll understand about post exploitation techniques, pivoting and lateral movements, privilege escalation on Windows or Linux, extracting credentials and data, maintaining access with backdoors or rootkits, covering tracks and evading detection. In the sixth module, we'll understand about web application penetration testing, wherein first we'll have a look on web application penetration testing, introduction, HTTPS and web architecture, SQL injection, cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities. In the seventh module, we'll understand about wireless network penetration testing, wherein first we'll have an overview of wireless network security overview, wireless network enumeration or scanning, cracking WEP, WPA2, and WPA, evil twin attacks, and rogue access points. In the eighth module, we'll understand about reporting and documentation, wherein we'll study about penetration testing reporting structure, documenting vulnerabilities and exploits, writing detailed report and remediation and suggestions. So we'll meet in the next video.